Ever wonder why modern sunscreen rubs in so easily without that thick white layer? The secret is nanotechnology. Inside each bottle are billions of nanoparticles engineered to block UV rays while staying invisible on your skin. This tiny tech isn't just in sunscreen. It's in your phone's smudge-resistant screen and in sports gear made lighter and stronger with carbon nanotubes. Nanotechnology is about building with blocks so small, millions fit on a pinhead. Scientists arrange atoms and molecules to create materials with new, powerful properties. It's not just about making things smaller, it's about unlocking abilities materials never had before. So next time you use sunscreen, remember you're applying a shield of nanoparticles, a marvel of human ingenuity. Nanotechnology is everywhere, quietly making our world stronger, smarter, and more efficient. Sometimes the most powerful ideas come in the tiniest packages. This technology isn't just about convenience, it's helping solve big challenges, from health to the environment. Welcome to the hidden world of the very, very small. So what is nanotechnology? Nano means 1 billionth. A nanometer is a billionth of a meter, 100,000 times smaller than a human hair. At this scale, materials behave in surprising ways. Gold, for example, can look red or purple as nanoparticles. Nanotechnology is the science of working with matter at this tiny scale, where the rules of physics and chemistry change. Scientists are like chefs, combining atoms, their ingredients, in new ways to create materials with superpowers stronger, lighter, more conductive. It's about building from the ground up, one atom at a time. Nanotechnology brings together chemists, physicists, biologists, and engineers to invent the future. From faster computers to self-cleaning fabrics, the possibilities are endless. Understanding nanotechnology is like getting a backstage pass to how the world is built. It's a universe all around us, invisible to our eyes. This field is transforming everything from electronics to medicine. The more we learn, the more we can create. Nanotechnology is the ultimate toolkit for innovation. The future is being built 1 nanometer at a time. Imagine doctors sending tiny robots into your body to fight disease. Thanks to nanotechnology, this is becoming reality. Scientists are developing nanoparticles that deliver medicine directly to cancer cells. Targeted drug delivery. These nano trucks are coated with molecules that lock onto cancer cells, releasing medicine only where it's needed. This means fewer side effects and more effective treatments. Some nanoparticles help doctors find cancer earlier, lighting up tiny tumors in scans. Nanotechnology gives us new tools to detect and treat disease with precision. These advances are already helping real people, not just lab experiments. The future of medicine is getting smaller and smarter. By thinking small, we're solving some of the biggest health challenges. Nanotechnology is making medicine kinder, more targeted, and more powerful. Clean water is a global challenge, but nanotechnology offers hope. Scientists have created nanofilters with pores so tiny they block bacteria and viruses, and even salt from seawater. These filters make water safer and desalination cheaper, bringing fresh water to more people. Some nanoparticles act as microscopic cleaning agents, destroying pollutants and germs when exposed to sunlight. Nanotech water purifiers are low-cost and perfect for remote or disaster-stricken areas. By harnessing the power of the very small, we're tackling one of humanity's biggest needs. Sometimes, solving giant problems starts with thinking incredibly small. Nanotechnology is just getting started. Imagine clothes that charge your phone, windows that save energy, or computers built atom by atom. This technology is about solving impossible problems. Clean energy, lighter vehicles, pollution cleanup. By mastering the building blocks of matter, we're unlocking a new era of innovation. But with great power comes responsibility. Scientists are studying the long-term effects to keep us and the planet safe. The journey is about curiosity, discovery, and using these tools wisely. Nanotechnology will shape the world your generation grows up in. Stay curious, ask questions, explore, and learn. Science belongs to everyone, not just labs. The next breakthrough could come from you. The future is being built, 1 atom at a time, maybe by your own hands.